Okay, guys, I'm now going to show you how to make the best of the Maggies जो आपने न जाने कहाँ श्रीनगर में और इसको क्या बोलते हैं जगह को मनाली वगैरह में खाई होंगी। ठीक, कैसे बनाते हैं अभी बताता हूँ। ये है पापा की मैगी। पापा बच्चों के लिए कैसे मैगी बनाते हैं वो ऐसे बनती है। तो देखिए, थोड़ा सा जादू करूँगा। ये हमने स्टार्ट कर दी अपनी गैस। आफ्टर सम टाइम I put 3 glasses of water in this, 3 big glasses, and now it is almost, it is steaming out. So we are ready to put what? Maggi in it. Now I'm going to put 5 Maggi pieces over here. 1, 2,
And 3.
and oh my God, sorry daughter. 3 and 4. And 5.
And 6.
Yeah, but she wants the 6th one to be placed over here, so we'll cater for her. I'll add some water to it subsequently. All right. Oh my God, she wants that we should put this 6th entire thing also here, and we will. But after doing this, just by the look of it, I'm feeling that I will fall short by 1 glass of water. So I'm going to take this. This is my 1 big glass. Can you see? This glass. I'll take 1 more glass. Okay. I'm going to use my newly installed thing. It works very fine. Okay. It just, it will give me only 1 glass, not more than that. And I'm going to put it here. I think now the water is sufficient enough to hydrate the entire thing. I'll be using this wooden stick to move it around. Okay, this is my wife's kitchen, but today I'm using it, and I'm going to make the best of the Maggies that you've ever seen on this Mother Earth. Yeah, it is properly soaked. That means what I'm thinking is going to be achieved tonight. That is, it will be a good Maggie. Yeah, the entire thing is soaked under, and there is some water above it, so it's a good sign. Here you can see I've cut 2 tomatoes, 1 onion, and this is the masala of 5 Maggies. Now I'm not understanding. I put 6 Maggies here and 5 Maggies over here, so what do I do now? Okay, it all can be adjusted, though I have 1 more masala here, and I will add to my already existing recipe, because this was the last moment at which my daughter placed the request that we should add that Maggi also. So here I put the 6th one to the already existing masala. Okay. Now, the most important thing I've forgotten, but I'm not going to delay it any further. Important thing is that you must put cheese. जो श्रीनगर वगैरह के लोग होते हैं जो आपको खिलाते हैं, उसमें यही खास बात होती है। ये खुलेगी कैसे? खुल गई। कोई नहीं, इसको इस स्टेज पे इसके डालना ज़रूरी होता है। अभी बताता हूँ क्यों। 1 डाल दी। Where's the other one, daughter? Yeah. This is the other one, and somehow I'm feeling I will need 1 more glass of water. I put the 2nd one also, and seeing okay, fine, it can adjust if I try a bit hard, but since I don't want to try too much hard, I'll put 1 more glass of water without thinking anything. Here I go back to my Pureit. Please give me 1 glass of water, and see, like the gin, he has done my job, and I will back 1 glass of water to it, so that I don't have to hurry up things. Okay, this is how. Now what has happened is, once I've added cheese to it, it is going to give a flavor. Okay, everybody loves cheese. Cheese is the thing. Nobody can say I don't like it. Tell me a person who doesn't like cheese. Person gives up cheese just because of some XYZ reasons. All right. My daughter is saying, please put one more. But then my pan is good enough just to place, 6 Maggies. So it is almost perfect because the entire thing is below this water. Now next thing is I'll let it, heat it up. Let it go in this hot water for some time. Okay, so that it properly boils. Now what is important is that I must put these tomatoes in it, followed by onions. So here I pick them up, place it here. Some of it has gone out, it's okay, but still it's about the taste of the Maggi. All those who love Maggi will know what I'm doing. So 2 tomatoes. I thought they are more, but seems less, but then they'll do the job. 1. Number 2, I'm picking up this one big onion which took a toll on my eyes. It made me literally cry. My daughter asked me, Papa, are you crying? But actually I was not. This was just bloody onion which made my tears come out. Oh my god, it's looking awesome.
And then
Now this is the most beautiful thing, masala. Never add this masala right away. This should be the last thing, otherwise it evaporates and you won't get the taste. Second thing, keep this white salt handy. Add a bit of it so that whatever evaporates is compensated by this white salt. Now this is chaat masala. Since you have put cheese, something additional, you would require this chaat masala, a pinch of it. I will show you how much and why. So let me just turn it around and see the health. Oh, wow. It is doing the job. Great. It's looking beautiful.
and it is so
It is so yummy too.
and it is so
Awesome. Wow.
it is so
Mmm.
yummy.
Yeah, Divyana, it's called yummy. It's very yummy. Okay? I know you will like it. So, whenever you feel that water is going below these noodles, I think that is the time, not I think. That is actually the time to spread this masala because it is about to be cooked. So, see, this is how I put it. Put it everywhere. Now ensure that it goes down. Okay, that is, it is mixed everywhere. Now do it like this, whatever you call it, but do it like this so that the entire masala spreads. It's called stirring. My daughter just told me it's called stirring.
It's called like a mix.
Okay, whatever you say, baby. So we are somewhere halfway. Now I've seen that this portion doesn't have much of it, so I'll put it again.
Masala.
You must be thinking this Maggi masala is too much, but this is for the first time I also saw that if you put masala in some bowl and then you see how much one Maggi masala consumes, it actually appears a lot. I did it for the first time after a decade, more than a decade. Decade means 10 years. Now I'm going to put some more of it. Not some, the entire thing, because it belongs to this one. And now I'm going to do something very different. This is called desi ghee. Okay. Just put 1 full teaspoon. Not teaspoon, sorry, normal spoon. And just forget everything. This is going to make the difference now. Okay. Because now the Maggi is not going to stick to each other. it is going to be separate. Each mesh of it will be different. Even if I make it dry, they will not stick to each other. Maggi is prepared. I'm turning the stove off. Just turning it so as to ensure that the masala goes to each and every place where it should be. The Maggi is done. Wow. How does it look, baby?
It looks cool.
It looks cool.
It
Now I'm going
looks
to do
cool.
just one more thing. This pinch of salt is required because it is just a bit insufficient. Not pinch, maybe 2 pinches. Here I close it.
It calls, this
This is
calls,
called chaat masala.
this is
A bit of it
called
also is required.
chaat.
Because if you really want to enjoy,
Chaat
bit of it,
sugar.
when I say, it is like almost nothing. Just the smell of it is required.
It's called chaat
Masala.
sugar.
No, it's not chaat sugar, baby. It's a chaat masala.
It looks like a chaat sugar.
No, it is not chaat sugar, Babu. It is chaat masala.
It is
So, the Maggi is made. And now, let me serve the guests, my family. And we'll see how it is. After that, we'll get you their comments. Thank you.